Last week we made some new friends. We met Melissa from Holland in a restaurant, and we met Mercy in a couchsurfing meeting on the beach. And today Mercy has invited us to go on a hiking trip in Alanya, which is really great because even though we're the one living here, he's the one who knows one of the very good hiking routes. So we have already started the hike. We have walked out of Alanya city and now we are up where the more primitive houses starts. The bananas, I'm not gonna fall. The banana and the Turkish fruit masmula is, and I'm already far behind from talking to the camera, so I'm gonna catch up with everybody. Mercy, can you tell people where we're going?
We're going to the amazing place we call the flag place. There's a flag, but one flag. It's very high up, and it's a nice way to go there because your view getting better as high as you come. And then we have, when you achieve this place, it is like the amazing view about all over Alanya. It's beautiful, it's really beautiful.
How did you find this hiking route?
I did it first time with my brother, so he was the guy who guided me this way, showed me that way.
Oh.
The second time I did it with some friends, and third time I do it with you guys. So.
Wanna come hiking?
Are you stealing?
Sorry guys, we love Turkey.
I don't know why I'm the only one who's so red in my face.
It's because you're Danish.
We generally don't go that much hiking in Alanya, which is a shame because it is very beautiful. We do go a lot on our scooter though. We've just been told this is the hardest part of the trip. Stupid time to talk. Let me try anyway. So one of the amazing things about Alanya is that you don't have to go more than 5 minutes out of the city to actually be in the area. It looks completely different from the touristic part of Alanya, and that's one of the very good trips. And that's one of the very good reasons to leave the city sometimes. Either hiking with the bus, scooter or car, doesn't matter, just try and leave the city.
And red hair.
It's because I'm wearing sunscreen to protect my skin against skin cancer. And very subtle. Very subtle, that's why I did it. But the problem is the sunscreen closes your skin, so now I'm burning. This is trash, that's something people leave a lot. It's a problem. Don't do it.
This is sad to say that in a beautiful environment, in a beautiful place like that, when this stuff happens, it's like literally disrespecting to Mother Nature. Please do not do that. Save the nature, save the planet. It's horrible what's going on in this beautiful place, and then you find that. It's sad.
Yes, please.
We walked 9,821 steps. Well, I have really small legs. We walked 6.4 kilometers in 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Smile.
Ooh, it's not a little.
It's also not big.
Yeah.
Oh, oof, it smells.
You die.
You get scared?
Oh my god! We were just talking. And I was like, is that a nose? Is that a face?
And this is really spooky, isn't it?
It is. But like the face.
I didn't even realize it till everybody was screaming and laughing. I was like, what? Oh, pink girl.
You think we're gonna get cursed if we take a picture with it?
I don't think so.
Sorry,
You can also go up and kiss it if you want. Yeah. So spooky. Don't step so much on. Ready? Turn around.
Kim yaptı? Veya ne için var orada biliyor musunuz?
Heykel o.
Kim yaptı onu biliyor musunuz?
Yok.
Ha,
Heykel o.
biri yaptı öyle duruyor orada.
Yani heykel o.
Yani anladım. Bir amacı yok.
Yok.
Yeah.
Bir ama.
Someone made this.
And it never left.
Yeah.
They're infected.
Yeah. He is.
So we're almost at the ending point where we are supposed to end before we start to go down again. The very famous flag. And I will say that I could be in better shape. I could also have longer legs.
Same
but
here.
longer legs would also help me keep up. I've been behind most of the trip, but I'm alright. And now we're actually up at a point that I know this is the St. George Church in Alanya that I hope we can get in and see before we go to the flag. Try?
There are
Wait.
shoes there. So I think someone is inside, or have they been there for 5 weeks? Like
Where's
up
the
stairs,
shoes?
There are shoes. In front of the door.
There's front of the door, there's shoes. It's true. In the old days we could jump over down here.
Is there like grizzly bear?
No, there's not.
But look at that.
It has been a while since I've been next to the church. It has been renovated. So before it was just complete ruins and you could walk in how you wanted. Now they made it very nice. They also made a fence, a wall around it so you can't get in. And they made a parking area up here for buses and what looks like a tourist shop that is then not open right now. So a lot of things happened without you knowing it. We skipped on the plan of breaking into the church because we couldn't find a good way in.
So no matter how much gold you have, how much money you have, you can never buy this. Please do not leave your plastic bottles, your trash here. It is too sad to see it.
Yes.
Look at this beautiful place and we're trying to destroy it. For what?
As the last guy on the team, I have also arrived at the famous flag.